Hello, guys, and welcome to my Mohali vlog. So we are on our way to our, another destination where we need to sort out a few things. So gradually, you'll have a, feel of what exactly we are trying to do. So journeyman has so many things to do. No, it's not just about driving or just enjoying food. But I have, trust me, so many things, and my life is like so busy, so busy, so busy that I cannot tell you this. I have hardly any time left for myself apart from, so I have some time. Some part of my life goes towards my work, my office, and rest is on YouTube. So please support my quest. I'm fighting something, and this fight needs a lot of hard work to prove that I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm doing it in the right manner. So you gotta support me in this. Love you all and enjoy the vlog. ADAS level 2 works like a gem, and specifically when you're driving on the roads in Chandigarh or Mohali. We are here for the maintenance. तो करते हैं फैट का थोड़ा सा मेंटेनेंस वगैरह and then we'll see what next to do. There's a lot of things that needs to be done, and then on the back side I need to get this thing painted up. तो पीछे का भी कर देंगे. Hi guys. Hi guys. We'll add the sort of maintaining the charge. हाँ थोड़ा सा ये अपने वाला ये थोड़ा सा इंच देना साफ हो जाएगा आप देखना मेरे साथ थोड़ा चाला लगा है फिर भी इसके छत पे करना पड़ा तो ये करना तीनटा वाले भी करना पड़ेगा Trust me, guys. It's a very tedious task to not only maintain your property, but find the right people it's very hard, to rent it out. All our stuff is right here. The painter guy said, Bauji, ला दो. मैंने कहा ले आते हैं भाई. So everything is here, whatever was required, brushes, rollers. Uh, what else is there? Oh yeah, and there are a few cans of paint, and then I've got some POP, some anti-termite, and few other bits and bobs, I guess. Spirit and yeah, sandpaper also well, is guys, there. We've got this thing for our camping. You open this. Hello guys. Guys, we are ready for the picnic. We got something huge for the picnic, guys. Let's get in, guys. And this one also, guys. Guys, this one also. And this one also. Yippee! Yes, and guys, here is our lovely cooked food: some cottage cheese, paneer, lentils, dal, and yogurt, dahi. So let's dig in. Vadavir, as usual, has been assigned the duty to feed Noora. तो नूरा खा ले रोटी यार मैं बस इनको देख रहा हूँ कि ऐसा what they are trying to do and it's so cute. ਛੱਡ ਖੜਾ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਵੇਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਕਹਿਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਸਨੋਵਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਮ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੀ ਹੋਰ ਕੁੜੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ Well, divine intervention is much needed, so we are here to seek blessings at the Gurdwara Sahib. Just in case, for those who don't know or it is not in their knowledge, before you enter the Gurdwara Sahib, you leave your shoes outside and then you wash your feet from that place, then you wash your hands, and then you enter the main premises of the Gurdwara Sahib, where Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji has been placed and is regarded as the living Guru. Guys, we met a very old couple at Gurdwara Amsahib. So we're gonna ask them where they are from and why they are so feeling helpless. ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਖੰਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਆ।
ਖੰਨੇ ਤੋਂ। ਤੇ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕਣ ਆਏ ਸੀ
ਮੱਥਾ ਹੀ ਟੇਕਿਆ ਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੇ ਜੀ?
ਬੇਟਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਖੰਨੇ ਸਾਡਾ।
ਅੱਛਾ ਅੱਛਾ, ਉਹ ਬੇਟਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ
ਨਾਲ
ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੱਲਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਭੇਜਿਆ?
ਕੱਢਾ ਦੱਸੋ। ਠੀਕ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਂ ਹਾਰ ਵੱਜ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ।
ਅੱਛਾ,
ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ
and then have a look at the mall Mohali Walks, and Noor found something that she can stay busy with. If she's happy, we are happy. Life is full of challenges, guys. I had so many things to do, but now I've got this sprain in my ankle and it's very bad. Party, party, party. And there's Nora, she's sleeping. So, in spite of the injury, guys, I'm here back to the work. As I said, it's not that easy to do things. So, journeyman's life is busy, and at times it gets difficult when you have so much to do and you have injured feet as well. So, all in all, busy day. करंट सिचुएशन ये है, हालांकि पेंट तो हो चुकी है, नीट एंड क्लीन, ये सब उखाड़ दिया गया है। मैं और पिंदर आए हैं, बाकी वही हैं। ये सब गंदा हो चुका है। पीछे भी अभी पेंट का काम चल रहा है। यहाँ से ये हो चुका है, भैया आराम कर रहे हैं। इट इज़ ऑल नीट एंड टाइडी। किचन में अभी पेंट होना है, नहीं पेंट हो गया है। ये स्विच बोर्ड क्लीन होने हैं, इसको भी अभी क्लीन करना है। क्लीन होगा ये सारा, क्लीनिंग के लिए बंदा बुलाया है। ठीक है, लाइट वाइट ये सारा उखाड़ दिया हमने, टोटली डन। और ये सारा पेंट हो गया, बाहर से पेंट हो रहा है। ये तोड़ गया है कोई, ये सारा हमने पेंट करवा दिया है। ये बाहर से भी पेंट हो जाएगा, और ये भी पेंट हो रहा है, ये भी पेंट करवा दिया हमने। ठीक है, और ये यहाँ से भी पेंट हो जाएगा सारा। दरवाज़ा भी पेंट हो रहा है। better than McD and way burger. Worth it, guys. Well, guys, this journeyman is here at CP Mall in Mohali. For some shopping. Let's get some shopping done. Coming up. Yeah, here. Where? And there is new with Peppa Pig. Yay! No? You're... What should I look at? Wow. Say high five. Teacher. So we are hungry people. Someone has already finished his pizza. So our dinner is over. And it's time to return back home. Home flew. So journeyman's trip at Mohali is about to end by tomorrow. So day after tomorrow we'll leave back for Jammu. So see you guys in Jammu. Till then, take care. Bye bye. What? Me and Noor off with some shopping. तो हो गई थोड़ी सी shopping and candies and Mama's gone and we are shopping. We are enjoying so much.
मैंने लिए शूज लिए हैं सिर्फ आप कहना मैंने लिए शूज मैंने दो आप कहना इसमें मेरी क्रॉक्स है आप कहना इसमें आप कहना पता है क्या
बट क्या
आप
कहूँ?
कहना कि इसमें ना मेरी ना वो क्या बोलते सॉक्स है सॉक्स भी ले ली थी और इसमें मेरी वो है क्या बोलते हैं
क्या?
शूज
हेलो गाइस, हेलो। देर में आ जाएगी। Thank you, Bia, so much. Sketches at CP Mall, amazing staff. Thank you so much. Bye. Guys, if you need good average for your car, go for liquid poly diesel. Well. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the next morning vlogs. And we are still at Mohali, and we are still busy with the maintenance work. I've been running from one place to another to get something, this, that, blah, 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 blah. So let's go back to the house and see what's happening and how much work is pending. So, guys, here it is now. अभी इसमें पेंट होना है। चलो अभी थोड़ी ये सफाई होगी। अभी हो रहा है पीछे का गैस हमारा हो रहा है वार्डरोब्स हो गई हैं। अभी अच्छे से सफाई होगी। हेलो भैया। So this is done, back side, all done, and in the hood. It's all neat and clean. It's been a tiring day, guys, and now we are on our way towards this is Airport Road, Mohali, as an outskirts. तो इस साइड में है एयरपोर्ट, इस साइड में भी कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है। इधर के हमने वैसे 2-3 प्लॉट देख लिए जो हमें सही नहीं लगे, तो अब हम उस साइड hunt for property. We are stuck here because our honorable PM is going back from airport to some other place. So yeah, we are stuck, and our destination is around just 5 minutes away. So this is where we need to reach. Yeah, we need to recenter it. Our journeyman is at his new place. God has been kind. That's Noura's new home. This is the first bedroom. Finally, we got the keys. Ooh-ha. So, Didi, this is like the entrance. And then once you go inside the entrance, there's the first bedroom. And there are 3 rooms upstairs. This is the powder room. I've already seen it, and I have kept it as a surprise. So that's another washroom. मैं पहले भी आया था, सब चीज़ें लाइन करके गया था. So I just wanted to keep it a surprise. Keys to the life. Keep working hard. That is what journeyman is trying to say. And what else? Washroom. ठीक है. Wardrobe. And the best thing what I loved about this is that there's another story and 3 rooms on the top floor. And this is the kitchen and the backyard. Backyard, guys, we can keep whatever we want to keep, and we have a servant room right there. Both stains. This is my favorite room, by the way. And the reason being is if you look from the side, it's so green, so lush, so nice, and it is hardly 5-7 kilometers from phase 11. 5-7 kilometers. Right here. Bedroom is right there. Same one. Time to take some rest, probably have some tea and all. Everything is here. Small set. Some people might say that you are showing off and all. There are people who will, but this is not show off. This is your hard work. So when you put your hard work without the support of anyone else on your own, this is how it looks like. And then it makes us feel super happy. So keep working hard. The success, the key to your success is hard work. Key to the success.
Well, guys, we are at our home, Journeyman.
And there goes the train, and the journey of journeyman continues. Mataji, all has been cleared, cleaned. ये वाली देख लो, थोड़ा बहुत पता लगता होगा यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज़ ऑल डन. तो ये हमने इनको बोल दिया है कि अपनी बाइक ध्यान से रखें. व्हाट्सएप भेज दिया मैंने कि है ना, ऑल नीट एंड क्लीन टाइडी. ये हमारा सोलर कैमरा लग गया. Another day, another vlog at Mohali. We are at the market as ladies were interested to buy something. I don't know where they are. Ladies कहाँ गई यार? All right. Soothing music. Noora, what do you want?
There's a car.
हमारी वहाँ लगी है? All right. Here is Journeyman 2.0. Who's happy? We got some baby perfume and lip balm for Noora. By the way, I'm using my own card, guys. What a look. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Boys. Done with the shopping zone. Noor, you have already taken your lip balm. Come back. So shopping. और हमने भाई जी ली है एक परफ्यूम. Let me share. By the way, my last name is Bali, and I found a cologne by the name of Bali. Ha ha ha. So Noura's gonna use it. This is for Noura. Bali. Guys, let's go. We can sit here and we can probably have something good to drink
No.
from this place.
Bad things.
Bad things. So we want, but good crowd. Guys, chalo chaliye.
Nothing.
What happened as you came to collect the keys from the wallet?
Nothing happened, guys.
They said no, you are underage.
No. They said that
They said what?
they will not give key to me
Why?
because I am not 18-year-old or 18 plus.
Guys, there is our car. Let's go. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you so much.